Hi and good day. I want to stress to all neck sufferers out there, bulging disc, herniated discs, plexopathies, neuropathies, radiculopathies, all these types of inflammatory conditions. If you're inflaming the nerve, the muscles are spasming, they're shortening, they're restricting your range of motion, that's leading to neck pain and or headaches or pain and tingling into the chest, in between the shoulder blades, down the arm into the hands, weakness, tiredness. The worst thing we can do is contract the upper trapezius muscles. The nerves run through the upper traps, the upper traps attach all the way up behind the skull, and it's going to affect those nerves and make the condition much worse. So if you're a weekend warrior, or you're a gym nut, or just an everyday exercise person that's trying to make their body better, the over the head press, when you're doing this, that kicks in the trap. So anytime you reach your arms above your head, the traps kick in, and that's going to exacerbate, weaken, and inflame that nerve and cause those muscles to get worse. If you're working shoulders, I advise you to come up to maybe about 45 degrees, 50 degrees, but not 90 degrees. The higher you bring your elbows, the more the traps have to kick in. Those traps are attaching all the way up the side of the neck to the back of the skull. It's going to inflame that particular area. So if you have these conditions, you're trying to treat it, you're trying to get well, but you're doing these activities, it's going to prevent your healing in the natural way. It's going to inflame it and set you back much farther, causing you a lot more pain and suffering. So remember that if you're going to do anything, try not to kick the traps in. And if you're going to reach out in front of you, again, you see the traps are kicking in because I'm lifting my shoulder. Reach underneath. It brings your elbow lower. It doesn't allow you to have to come up as much. You can reach underneath and bend the elbow, okay, as I'm doing right here. So the less you bring your arms up higher, the less you're going to exacerbate and irritate the nerves so they can heal and repair. But for chronic neck sufferers, I can tell you, if you keep doing these activities, you're going to keep exacerbating and irritating these nerves, and it's going to set you way back, and you're going to have to pay the price. So I hope that you understand this particular situation. It's very important. I ask you to pass the video on, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, write your comments below or any questions you may have for me. You know I'm very good at getting back to the majority of my people out there like you. I want to see you do well, I want to see you heal well, and I want to see you do it the natural way, the least invasive way. Make it a great day. I'm Dr. Mandell.